This is a unique product offering that offers a 4 set of chair cushions for indoor or outdoor. They're perfect for rocking chairs. I have it shown here on a rocking chair. It's also outdoor worthy and it's very thick and plush. If your indoor or outdoor furniture is looking a bit tired or losing its comfort, finding the right replacement pads makes all the difference. Now, this Drydiet 4 set was provided from my honest review, and it will upgrade your look and your current pieces. Measuring a generous 47 by 20 inches, these universal replacement pads offer full back coverage and seat coverage that fits beautifully on standard high back and traditional rocking chairs. One of the biggest pain points about outdoor fabric is weathering. These cushions are explicitly engineered to be premium, waterproof, and fade resistant. They come vacuum packed in these packages here, and they actually come as small as this one here, and then you open them and they come to their full shape in just a few hours. Now, this is great in case you want to send these as a gift, and they come in a small package and they expand beautifully. And they are weather resistant, whether you're using them in or out or using them in a nursery and you need to take care of spills that come with babies. While this specific set showcases a classic deep navy that brings an instant touch of nautical elegance to any outdoor space, it also comes in a variety of other popular colors. And look at these cushions up close. They are upholstered and tufted for deep wearability and comfort. Investing in a high quality set of seat pads means you actually enjoy your furniture and using it for hours on end without stiffness. If you want to keep up with the latest honest product breakdowns and practical home improvements, join us for our product reviews from this great company and others like these.